Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick DIY using the Happy Planner DIY cover, the rings, as well as this Get Social media packet. So you may have seen this a while ago, but I could never find it in stores, and I just recently found it in Michael's and they were on sale. I think I got each pack for like $4.60 something cents, something like that. So I grabbed 3. Not really sure how I'm going to fully use it, but I did catch a great video from Heather Plan, who showed us how she decorated it as well as used it. So I may do a combination of both, but I'll do that in another video. So I'm going to show you how I am going to make a quick planner cover and put this together. Alright, so if you've been following me on Instagram, you may have seen that I have created this cover for an appointment book as well as a order book. So I am going to use this. I'm going to cut it down some, and I'm not really sure the measurements, but I'm going to do my best, and I'll probably have to redo it a little bit later, but I'm just going to do this really quick and put it together. Oh, and by the way, I got this beautiful doll from Feathers of Style over on Etsy. Alright, so in this custom cover kit from the Happy Planner, there is a front and back cover, and then it just shows you how they put it in, but it does not give you what the size is. So for right now, I'm just going to use this little block as my example and cut around it. And I forgot to mention, guys, that the cover that I created using Canva. So if you are interested in Canva or starting your own account, I'll leave a link in the description bar down below where you can click on it and get started. Alright, so I'm not really sure what the ply is. I mean, it's pretty bendable, but it already has the hole punches for the rings. I'm not sure what that was. So I'm just going to take out the cardstock here and place it over my image, and I see it's going to be cut off some, but I want to make sure I have the name on there. See, am I going to do the top and just cut her legs off? I may just do it like that, and then I'll just cut around it, and then I'll just insert it. So here is my temporary cover. And just insert it. I kept the cardstock. Alright, so I kept the cardstock, so I have my front cover, and I'll design something for the back as well. And then we will open up our packets and we'll put it together. Now this is a lot. This is 40 sheets. So this is the front. Well, let me take it out and then we'll go over what. Alright, so the front gives you 4 different accounts that you could use. So you could use Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, whatever, what have you. And then on the back, it tells you to check it off. For each account that you posted, you'll check off whether you read and reply to comments, read and reply to direct messages, create post content, check all links, check all spelling, schedule post. And so 40 sheets. And then there's something. Okay, let's split this up because it's split. And so I may, okay, cool beans. Oh, wait. Okay, so there's two different things. So plan of attack. So for the week of, I guess you could put your different social media sites, and then you can put whatever your activities or plans are for the week. Then you have inspiration, content ideas, hashtag and keywords, and theme ideas. All right, so it's just these two separate ones. So I don't know if I just want to do all of these and then put this in the back, or do one and one, or just be able to take out one and put it in. Let's get them all out and we'll figure that out. Okay, and I know this is September and I'm probably starting this late. I don't even know when these came out, but it's all right because these are undated, so you can start whenever you want and finish accordingly. So that's the great thing about it. And I really need to keep track of my social media and my numbers. I keep saying I'm going to do it, but I don't. But hopefully, since I purchased all of this, I will get on the ball. All right, so I'm going to, am I going to start with the covers? Yeah, maybe I'll start with the covers. So if you guys are not following me, you can follow Zariah's Creations on social media. And I am on Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, of course, where you're watching. And I do have a Facebook page. I'm trying to do better with the Facebook page. I actually have a Twitter by default. Sometimes I remember to post on Twitter. Lots of times I forget to post on Twitter. And these are just plastic rose gold. I love rose gold. I just wish they were metal. I don't know if they have metal rose gold rings. Would be nice. But I had these left over, so I didn't like just purchase them, so I can't really tell you how much they are. All right, so I'm gonna put these in the back and put these in the front. And I actually have a divider from another, I'm like recycling stuff here, because I have so much, you know, jumping down the rabbit hole when something new comes out. Although I don't think these are new. I think I'm really late looking at Heather's video. So make sure you guys go over to Heather Kell of a Plan. Check out her video on the social media planner, I think it may be called. She has a lot of great videos. I'm going to try to do too many at one time. I don't want to go in. Stubborn. I gotta make sure these are in. That they're in right. Okay, there we go. Yep, I might have tried to put too many in. And I love the way Heather did her video because she actually decorated it. So she didn't quite use it as it is posted. But I also did not check to see if the Heavy Planner has a video for it. But I will. So I'll separate these by a divider when I find the divider. Oh, okay. Alright, so this was just a clear divider and I threw some stickers on it. So I'll use that for the top and I'll probably make a label, I don't know. So I keep being told how important it is to follow your numbers with social media. And now that I've reached 4,000 subscribers, my goal is to pay more attention for whatever future reason it may be needed for. But it's like I'll start off strong and then things get forgotten because I'm doing so much. So hopefully, and I'm probably going to add to this too because I'll show you a sheet in a minute that I'll have to blow up to be the size of this. I had it in a shorter, which is where I got the rings. It was a smaller, maybe a half size, maybe. Yeah, a half size page. I don't know if you want to call it a cheat sheet or a production sheet for the blog and the YouTube channel. So I will probably add that to this and making it a whole social media planner. And so I may only do videos once a quarter, showing, I guess, my progress, how I'm using it, how I changed it, or what I'm doing with this. And hopefully when I come back in the quarter, it'll be full. Alright, so pretty much that was it in actually making it, and it really didn't take long. So the sheet I wanted to show you guys. I created the sheet a long time ago for myself that helps me with planning my videos. So I'll put the topic that I'm going to use for the videos, what supplies I used, that'll help listing in the descriptions, what I specifically need to do for this episode, what call to action that I have for the video, some notes, the date that I filmed it, the date that I uploaded it, and the sites that I actually uploaded it to. We no longer have G+, so I could put Pinterest here. So I'm going to revamp this sheet, and where am I going to put it so that I know? Maybe I'll throw it in the back. I do have another cover, and this cover is by default, so it won't stay in here. I'll probably make another one, and then I'll put it back here. And then when I redo this, I'll redo it to fit the size of the rest of the pages. So it'll be, and this is pretty thick. It's pretty thick already. So I may have to either go to big, no, I don't want to go to bigger rings, but I may have to take some out. Alright guys, so that is it for my planner. I will update it. I will post it on Instagram. So let me know what you think, and if you are a YouTuber, let me know, how do you keep track of your numbers? Do you have a social media planner? Or if you even have some good videos to follow in creating a social media planner, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. And until next time, see ya.